Oh, it's Vlogs!
What's up?
Vlog, say hello to the vlog.
What's up? What's up? Oh!
Oh, he's back
Back in
from
England.
Morocco, mate.
Back home. I haven't missed it. No, I've missed the gang. I had a list of
What
them.
you saying, young man?
Yeah, because I missed the gang. I was literally saying to Lewis, I was like, that's the main thing I missed.
Say hi to the vlog, Lewis.
Hello vlog. I have collected the ginger.
Report him.
Bro, that's going soon anyway.
Oh, no.
Next time you see me,
Accidentally, I was close. I didn't know.
How you been?
This close.
Absolutely.
It's been a whole
amazing.
24 hours.
It has.
Look, this is.
Car,
I
mate.
was literally saying, everyone's like come back with really nice tans. I've just come back red. Like,
Morocco, how's Morocco?
mate, Morocco, fucking goated. Fuck the sun though. But other than that, some good shit. Like genuinely, I miss it. Like I wanted to stay. But damn, some good shit. Oh, whoa, why are you like? Whoa, you're gonna fall off. You think you're gonna escape me?